If you are new to FedEx or thinking about coming to FedEx, keep watching, because today we're going to be talking about the Trip Buddy app, and we're getting started right now. Alright, so right here is the home screen. Alright, all you're going to do is you're going to click on continue to home. You might have to create your own login first before you get to this point. It's going to be your user ID and then whatever temporary password they give you, okay? Once you sign in, all you're going to go to is Arrive. You're going to put in your tracking number. And it's going to give you the information right there from earlier when you were dispatched. All right, and then you just hit the Arrive button. Once you hit the Arrive button, this screen is going to show up. All right, and then at that point, all you're going to do is go to Begin New Check-In. Hit Continue, and then check in. Put your current location in, your tracking number, and then hit check-in. Once you hit check-in, this screen will come up. It'll show you your trailers, whether they're closed or whether they're still loading, how much they weigh, and the trailer numbers. You can also click on View Trailer Location. And it's going to show you where the trailers are. This is not always accurate, but it's a good tool to use. As you see on this map is outdated. That's actually additional parking lot. The trailers are not in the middle of the field. All right, once you're hooked up to your trailers, you go ahead and inspect. Go ahead and put your dolly number in, validate dolly. And then go ahead and validate your seals. Go ahead and put your seal numbers in. And that's it. Go ahead and do your inspection. Agree and check out. And then dispatch. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Say yes. And then you are ready to roll. If you receive value from the video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. And as always, remember, stay smooth, stay safe.